Alright, so let's just get started. So I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to prime with Milani eyeshadow primer. Just put some here. I've already applied my foundation. I'm finishing up the Rimmel Match Perfection. I really do like this foundation. It's very light coverage. I would say light to medium. You can build it up. I concealed with the YSL Touche Eclat. I got it in a Sephora gift. I set everything with the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I've been liking. So I'm just going to finish and keep going on with the eyes. I'm not going to put anything in my brows because I'm like hating them right now. I don't hate them because I just don't know what to do with them. I haven't found anything that I super love. So I'm going to start with my eyes. I got 3 eyeshadow palettes from LA Colors that I saw. I've never seen them ever before. This one has 2 mattes and a kind of shimmer. This one has 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. And this one seems to have 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So I found these at the dollar store, of all places, just because sometimes I like to peruse it, because sometimes you can get like the Wet n Wild brushes there, and you know, sometimes you can find some pretty cool stuff, especially nail polish. I like to buy nail polish there. So I'm gonna play with those. I'm gonna open this one. It's called Sunflower, the 3-color one. I'm gonna open this one up. I need to get a trash can in this room. I open products and then boxes just lay around. So, ooh, it's sealed. That's nice. So, but it's already. So this is the Sunflower palette. It comes with 3 shades. I'm gonna swatch them. Ooh, they're really nice. So I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here. Ooh, they're kind of powdery, but I mean, you get what you get. So I'm just gonna place this all over the lid. Taking the middle shade and just placing it like over the whole lid and to the brow. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, like a terracotta shade, and just kind of fluff that into the crease in the outer corner. We'll see what kind of look this one comes up with, and if we want to add a bit more, we can always break into the other ones, because I'm actually gonna do that so that we can have some more fun. So I would say that for the price and what you're actually getting pretty decent shadows. These are definitely not the worst shadows ever. LA Colors is, I would say, a pretty good known brand. They are known for being pretty affordable. So just building that shade up. So I am not completely disappointed in this shadows. So you could totally just leave it at this and just have it be this eye look. But I think that I'm gonna bust into, I will go into this one. This one is called Brainy Beauty. I don't know. And it's called Shadow by Numbers Step-by-Step Tutorial. This is the Brainy Beauty palette, and it looks like this. The packaging's kind of flimsy, but that's, you know, I think that's more of a given. I'm going to take this number 4 shade that's here in the bottom corner and kind of build the crease up with that. And then we can play with some shimmers, because I'm not trying to do too much with these. We can see what we can get out of them. I went on their website, this LA Colors website, and I didn't find these shadows. So I would check your local dollar store. Okay, so I built that number 4 shade up into the crease again. Well, not again, but so I'm gonna test this number 1 shade in here. Very creamy. And then I'm gonna go back and swatch that other one. Ooh, this one kind of has like a pink kind of shift to it. So I'm actually gonna take that Okay, so I built that color up on the lid. I kind of had to go back in probably about twice with it, but I think it looks actually pretty good for what we, you know, for what we've got. So these are the two palettes that we used. We got the Brainy Beauty and then Sunflower. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with these. These are really, really nice. I'm gonna swatch this one real quick. Let me dust my hand off. So we got number 1, 2. Let me kind of build that one up because it is lighter, but considering you have this one, it's kind of a gray tone or tan. It kind of comes off more tan on your hand. And then number 4 is the one that I put on my lid, and that one actually came off the best. So that is the Brainy one, the Brainy Beauty. I keep kind of messing it up. That's that. So I'm going to quick line my lash line, I'm gonna quick do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. A bit of smudging on my lower lash line, and then I just applied some mascara down there. I'm going to highlight my inner corner, and then we will move on to the rest of the face. I have a couple new things. It's so funny because now that I'm thinking about the new things that I have this liner I have yet to open or use, and it's from the Revlon Color Charge thing. I think I'm just gonna open it right now and swatch it and see what it's all about. And then maybe next time we can play with it together. How about that? This is in the color Amethyst Smoked, and it's a skinny liquid liner. Let's see what he looks like. Yes, please. Now I really want to use this. So, oh my gosh, don't mind this mark right here, but that's that. Oh my gosh, and it like applies like amazing. Look at that. And it is skinny. Like, oh, now I am really excited to use that, and it looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. Okay, now it's all over my hand. Anyway, I'm gonna apply some blush. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go to my Tarte Pro Glow palette and go into the chisel color and kind of do some cheek action real quick. My foundation is very lightly coveraged. I'm trying not to do too much, so it's kind of turning into a little bit of a simple look. And my hair is quite nuts because I let it air dry. I always let it air dry, but I didn't apply any, like, normally I put like a air dry product in it, and today I didn't. And now it's like a little bit mad. So I'm taking the Tarte blush in Doll Face and applying that to our cheeks. Our cheeks. And that is why you open products before you film, because it takes 10 minutes to open something sometimes. Or you have to have friends to come help you. So I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Sunlit Dreams highlighting palette, and he looks like this. So I am going to swatch some on my arm. So they swatch all right. These two kind of look very similar when you swatch them, so we'll see how they look on. But the one I'm going to take today is this top one here in the corner, and I'm just going to take it on a Wet n Wild blush brush because these are really nice for highlighting. So once again, like the other Revlon highlighter I talked about, these are not like Papow highlighters. I feel like they are really nice for every day, and I think it's a good drugstore highlighter because, I mean, not everybody's gonna want that. Not everybody's gonna want like a really good Papow highlighter, so probably that's why these are really good, because they are not as Papow. They're kind of more subtle. They do work really good for a highlighter. I don't really know. I mean, I will probably use them again for everyday use, but for lips, I'm just going to take my Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. Very drugstore-esque. I could probably do a video with some of these products and have it be like $5 or less or something. I should try that. Alright guys, so that was the end of this video. It was kind of a little bit interesting journey to go on to figure out these little palettes. I got them just today, so I wanted to kind of play with them. I did take my makeup off and reapply it for this video, so that was quite interesting, and I'm not disappointed by these. I will give them another try. But yes, if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like affordable videos like this, that would be really awesome if you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And let's talk about affordable makeup. What is something that you are loving right now that's from the drugstore or even the dollar store maybe? Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.